Morning, my dear students. I am Rajeshwari Patro, your English teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya Hindi Likat. Welcomes you to this class. My dear students, in this class we are going to recite a new poem. The title of the poem is Don't Tell. Okay? Sometimes it happens that you are telling to your parents to do some work, but your parents are replying that you are still not enough older to do this work, so leave it. Okay? And similar situation happens to this child in the poem. And what is the reaction of the child, and what is the child want to tell, his opinions are described in such a poem. So let's read the poem and enjoy. There are lots of things they won't let me to do. I'm not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up, and I will show them all one day. In this poem, the child who is asking his parents to let me to do a particular work, but they are not agreeing with the child. So there are lots of things, बहुत सारे काम ऐसे हैं they won't let me to do. Here they means their parents, his parents. They won't let me to do. They don't give any scope to do me this work. I am not big enough yet. I am not enough older to do this particular work. They say, my parents say. So I patiently wait. So I am waiting patiently for the time till I am all grown up. Here you can see the picture of this man. So जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊँ, ठीक है, पूर्ण युवा बन जाऊँ, and I will show them all, और मैं उन लोगों को दिखा दूँगा. One day, एक दिन ऐसे आएगा जबकि मैं उन लोगों को सारा काम करता हुआ दिखा दूँगा. I could show them now if they gave me a chance. अभी भी मैं करके दिखा सकता हूँ अगर मुझे एक मौका मिलती है. There are things I could do. वैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. If I tried, अगर मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. But nobody knows. लेकिन किसी को भी ये बात पता नहीं है. Nobody knows that I am really a zint. किसी को भी ये नहीं पता है कि मैं अंदर से एक शक्तिशाली आदमी की ऊर्जा मेरे अंदर भी पनप रहा है, और जो भी काम मुझे दिया जाएगा वो मैं करने के लिए समर्थ हूँ. मैं आप लोगों को दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे दिल की गहराई से बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं सब काम कर सकता हूँ. यहाँ पे ये बच्चा बता रहा है, डोंट टेल लाइक दिस. मुझे ऐसे मत बोलो मेरी माँ, मेरी पेरेंट्स, मुझे ऐसे मत बोलिए. सो द न्यू वर्ड्स आर इनफ means plenty, chance means any scope to do a particular work, zint a powerful man, patient, wait till the time comes. Okay, so here is reading is fun, so we should discuss the question answers also. How old is the speaker? The speaker is of my age. आपके ही उम्र के होंगे और 10 to 11 years old होंगे. Who are they and them in the poem? They and them refers to the parents of the child in this poem. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? The speaker is hiding that he has the potential of a zint or a powerful man. If he has been given any scope to do a particular work, he could show them. Okay? So here is the talking time. Think of 3 things that they won't let you to do. Write down any 3 things or discuss any 3 things that your parents not allowed you to do that work. What are the things you would like to do when you are grown up that you can do now? वैसे कौन कौन सी चीज़ें, कौन कौन से काम ऐसे आपके दिल में हैं जो कि आप बड़े होने के बाद कर सकते हो लेकिन आप नहीं? Word building, using the letters given, make words. One is done for you: blackboard, mother, vegetable, 1000, helicopter. And blackboard is having 3 different words which we can form out of the alphabets of blackboard: black, board and back. Similarly, you have to write down mother. What is the other words that we can form? M-O-R-E, more. Okay. O-T-H-E-R, other. And another one is T-H-E-D. You can also form this word. So similarly, you have to fill all these words. Next is contraction form. Don't tell. Okay, don't, D-O-N apostrophe T. I am, I apostrophe am. I will, I apostrophe double L. Okay, so following are the full forms of these contraction forms. Similarly, some contraction words has been given here. We have to write down this. So I am sending you the answer sheets also. Please write down it in your copy. And thank you. Have a nice day.